Guys, welcome to our YouTube channel Tech Gadgets and More. Please subscribe. This is our first video. Please subscribe and support us. Let's unbox the Boat Rockers 255 earphones. Here is the Boat Rockers red color 255 earphones with all the features printed on the back side. The MRP of this product is 2,990, but it is available at much lesser price on Flipkart and Amazon. The packing is pretty decent. Let's take a look at the features quickly in case we are missed out on the back of the box. Okay, let's open and see what's there inside the box. Here we go. Here is a beautiful red Boat Rockers 255 earphones, and there's a pouch here. The pouch contains, I think there's a USB cable here for charging. Yeah, that's the USB cable for charging, and there are some write-up material as the additional earbuds for your earphones. And here is the warranty card. Okay. And that's the product catalog of other boat products. There's a complete list of boat products available on both front and back of the catalog. We'll fold it and keep that aside. Let's take a look at the that's the product user manual. Basically, know-how of using the product. Let's keep this user manual aside and quickly look at the earphones. Yeah, the build quality of the earphones is pretty good with flexible band, and here is the magnetic lock which we were talking about before. The earphone back has two magnets which can be locked when not in use, and the band has boat branding on both the sides, and there are three multifunction buttons on the right side of the band with plus and minus for increase and decrease of volume, with the center button to pause if you're playing something, and it also acts as a power on and off button on a long press. And there's a micro USB port to charge your earphones. Yeah, that's the micro USB port to charge your earphones. Yeah, the earphones and the band comes with L and R, that's left and right marking on both the sides for you to use them in the proper way. The audio output quality is very nice with beautiful sound, and especially if you're listening to music, or even if you're watching a movie on a laptop or a tab or your phone, and the comfort is too good. That's the red light on a long press of the center button to switch, shows that it's switched on. The Boat Rockers comes with a voice notification when it's connected, and even when the battery is low, it notifies you with voice notification. Let's try the USB cable which came along. Okay, yeah, there's a micro USB cable to charge your earphone, and I'm using a power bank to charge the same, and the battery backup is pretty decent. Let's try charging the earphones with power bank and the cable which came along with the earphones, the micro USB, and there it is. There's a light indicator which shows that it's charging. Overall, it's a great buy, and you'll surely enjoy walking, jogging, listening to music, watching movies, and of course making calls. Let's take a quick look how it looks when you wear it. The earphone fits pretty well inside the ear without you having to worry about falling, especially when you're jogging or exercising. Thank you for watching, and please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Take care. Goodbye.